Can you talk about some of those misconceptions that exist out there? And, what do you do to address them, or how did you?
It's a lot of hard work. A lot of people would ask me, "Oh, it must be nice to own your own business," not understanding that being a small business, you put a lot of your heart and soul into it. And especially for this business, it was kind of on a downward trajectory. So we were essentially pulling it out of a nosedive. In retrospect, maybe not the best choice, but it took us a couple years to get our feet underneath us. And once we did, it was a lot of really looking at it in terms of the long play. Our business is built on long-term relationships with our customers and long-term employees. And so we really focused on bringing in good people and good technical expertise, really solidifying our bases. So I don't know if that answered your question, but really looking at the core tenets of the business and then working hard on those. And being a small business and the kind of the acquisition deal that Eric had struck, we had to put a lot of time into it, but it's paying off.